Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the image quality on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 1000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Choose manga which you want to read and go to the continue or start reading button. And here go to the settings icon next to the comment button at the bottom of the page, and here you can find image quality option and just select HD or HD option and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.